Welcome to this tutorial on effectively using the Create Nulls from Paths feature in Adobe After Effects. This tool is fantastic for animating paths, but sometimes users encounter issues where nulls are not positioned correctly. In this guide, we'll explore how to avoid these problems and ensure your nulls are created accurately. Firstly, open After Effects and create a new composition by pressing Command or Ctrl+N. Use the Shape tool to create a shape layer. For example, a rounded rectangle or any desired shape. Right-click on your shape layer in the timeline. Navigate to convert to Bezier path. This step is essential as it allows for more accurate null placement when using the Create Nulls from Paths feature. If you use the Create Nulls from Paths script to generate the points follow nulls directly after converting to Bezier paths, you may encounter issues where the nulls are not positioned correctly at the vertices of your shape. To solve this issue, we need to zero out transform properties. Now, in the timeline, select your shape layer and twirl down to reveal its properties. Navigate to Transform, then Path Properties. Set all properties to 0, except for opacity and scale. This step is crucial as it prevents misplaced nulls during the creation process. Navigate to the window menu at the top of After Effects and select Create Nulls from Paths. This powerful script is available for download from the link in the description below, and it's currently offered for free. Ensure you have your path selected by twirling down the contents of your shape layer and selecting the path you want to create nulls. In the Create Nulls from Paths panel, choose the option that best suits your needs. In our scenario, we'll choose Points Follow Nulls. After selecting your shaped layer's path property, click on Points Follow Nulls to generate the null objects. The created nulls are now positioned correctly at each vertex of your shape and are parented correctly as well. This has resolved the problem of misplaced nulls, and we can animate our shape without facing any issue. If you find it difficult to manually zero out the transform properties, you may consider using the Crazy Shapes plugin to reset the transform properties and for additional control over your paths and null objects. This is a paid plugin, and it can be purchased on their official website if you wish. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively use the Create Nulls from Paths feature without encountering issues with misplaced nulls. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more After Effects tips and tricks.